great. It's nice to meet people I haven't seen for some time, so catch up, and really interesting speakers this morning. I really enjoyed both Ken Livingstone speech on the global view of the world. He's a fascinating speaker, and also Richard on climate change, which I always find challenging, daunting, thought-provoking.
I've been here today talking about the relationship between risk, catastrophe and managing big businesses. Well, I think what we were just trying to talk about was the necessity of having well thought out strategies so that you run your business and handle the catastrophes around it. We take a very global, a very broad perspective. It's very easy to sit in your own little business and not realize actually most of what's going to hit your business is happening somewhere else in the world, in someone else's jurisdiction, in a different time zone, in a different weather event.
The British Insurance Summit has really carved out a very strong reputation for being one of the leading industry conferences. It brings together people from not just the London market, but from all around the UK. But above all else, it brings together key people in the industry.
I decided to speak mainly because I think it is one way of demonstrating commitment to the sector. Summit overall, you can see the variety of speakers, you can see the range of topics. It's a fantastic platform to get a whole series of thoughts together, and hopefully out of that give everybody some thinking time, and hopefully means that other people can be successful.
The knowledge is very, very good. Obviously applying that knowledge to your business is even better, which is why I think these things are very, very useful. So a lot of useful sound bites, actually, a lot of useful sound bites.
I think it was interesting to hear from real consumers of it. So how is it working in a broker? How is it working in an insurer? It's interactive. There are other events that I've been to when it's a bit sort of broadcast, really. The other thing that's really important with our industry is you've got to give people time to talk. The most interesting things will be probably happening now around lunch, coffee breaks, because, you get a meeting of the like minds, and even though I'm sat next to a competitor, we sort of feel that it's okay to have a chat about things rather than, it's sort of within the four walls.